Want your flags looking in top shape without paying extra for avoidable replacement costs? Introducing the Colonial Flag Rotation Program, a Utah-based program designed to keep commercial and residential flags in top shape in 3 easy steps. First, you purchase 2 flags. One that gets stored at the Colonial Flag Warehouse and the other that is placed on your flagpole. Secondly, you decide what kind of rotation schedule you'd like to be on. Then, our team of experts come in for the rotation, evaluate the flag and flagpole on site, and bring back your flag to repair and store it until your next rotation or retire it respectfully. And there's even a 20% discount on any new flags and parts that may be needed to maintain that flagpole. To keep your flags looking in top shape, contact us today.